Going on, guys? Today we're working on this Jetstream mini jet boat, and we're going to be putting in a rugged radio. We're putting a M1 and then the STX rocker intercom. Let's put this guy in there. We're going to build a mount this here, so we have the rocker switch, intercom face on the side, and then the radio in the middle. And it would be really cool if we could mount it right here in the dash, because this guy would fit like perfectly on the dash here. But with the oh shit handle there, I don't think it's gonna happen. So instead, I think I'm gonna make something that's gonna hold it right down below the dash. And then we're gonna mount intercom cables in our headset intercom cable mount that we make here in-house, and I'm gonna mount it right here on the back side, so when the seat scoots back, your cables will all be down, kind of hidden behind, and then you won't be kicking them and stuff. When you get in and out of the boat, you're not gonna be kicking them, so I think it'll work pretty well. Let's get into it. Alright, got all the holes drilled here for the mount, got the cables ran through, and just have to tighten down these two little set screws in here and leave a little bit of hangout for the little dust shields that are on the headsets. And then I got one hole for the cables to go through, and then the 4 holes for the mount. So we'll just put this in here. Alright, got headset cable mount right there. Wires are coming out the backside. We'll run them up here, tie them all up, and then run them up to the front. And now let's go to work on the radio and the intercom. So for the radio and intercom mount, I've decided to go right here underneath the switch panel, and it has like a V right here. So there's a 90-degree bend on this one and this one, and there are 45s coming up on both sides. So I'm going to take and 3D print a mount that kind of grabs that and hangs down below to hold the rugged DMU. And I'm going to drill a hole here and here on both sides of both of these angles. And then we'll bolt in, we'll pop the rocker switches out and then bolt in from the back side into the 3D printed piece, and it'll hold it nice and solid. And then once we get it in there, I'll figure out if it needs some support on the back side of the radio or not. We'll just see how strong it is. Let's go over to the computer and check it out. Alright, let's go over here to the printer. I got it going. I've had it going for a little bit. It's 28% in. A little peek here. She is going to town. My little setup, got the printer there. Hopefully to be adding some more soon. And then my rugged product shelf, all my filament, and then I have all my Mountain View Motorsports stuff over here, all packaged up, ready to go. Everything that I make in here, so, and then some more rugged stuff over here. So if you guys are needing anything, let me know. Alright, so we're gonna use one of these rugged DMU mounts on the Jetstream. And I went ahead and drew it up in Fusion. And we're going to use the heat set nut zerts here and up here. And this guy will bolt up underneath the dash and fit the contour underneath the dash. And then the DMU can bolt straight through here, and the radio will slide through the middle.